Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our English podcast. I'm Anna.
And I'm David. Thank you for learning English with us today.
This podcast is for beginners. It is easy, slow, and friendly.
Yes, you can relax. You can listen and practice English with us.
Today's topic is plans. We will talk about the future in English.
We use easy words and simple sentences. Great for A1 and A2 learners.
Before we start, please like, share, and subscribe. It really helps our channel.
Good job for learning English today.
David, what are plans?
Good question. Plans are things we want to do in the future.
Yes, plans can be for today, tomorrow, or next week.
For example, I plan to study English tonight.
That's a plan. Very good and very simple.
In English, we often talk about plans with going to, will, and want to.
Don't worry, we will practice together, step by step. Let's start with I'm going to.
We use I'm going to for plans we already decided.
Repeat with me. I'm going to.
Good job. Now some examples.
I'm going to work tomorrow.
I'm going to cook dinner tonight.
My plan is simple. I'm going to eat a banana for breakfast.
Nice example. Simple and real.
Listeners, try to say one sentence. Pause and repeat.
Great job. You are doing well.
Now, let's use I want to.
I want to shows your wish or hope.
For example, I want to learn English.
I want to travel next year.
I want to sleep early tonight.
That's a good plan.
Listeners, repeat after us. I want to.
Excellent. Keep practicing.
Plans need time words.
Yes, time words help us understand when.
Common time words are today, tomorrow, tonight, next week.
For example, I'm going to study English tonight.
I want to visit my friend tomorrow.
Next week, I'm going to start a new job.
Very clear and easy.
Listeners, try this pattern. I'm going to tomorrow.
Good job. Now let's listen to a short, real conversation.
You can listen first, then repeat later.
Hi, David. What are your plans for tomorrow?
Tomorrow? I'm going to work in the morning.
What about the evening?
In the evening, I want to relax. I'm going to watch TV.
Nice. I'm going to study English tomorrow.
That's a great plan. Good job.
Listeners, did you hear the key phrases? I'm going to, I want to.
These are very useful in daily life.
Some learners feel scared to talk about the future.
That's okay. Making mistakes is normal.
You don't need long sentences.
Short sentences are perfect.
For example, tomorrow, work. This is okay for beginners.
Yes, slowly you will say, I'm going to work tomorrow.
Be patient with yourself.
You are learning. Good job.
Let's review today's lesson.
Today, we talked about plans and the future.
We practiced I'm going to, I want to.
We also used time words like today, tomorrow, next week.
Now it's your turn.
Here is today's community question. What are you going to do tomorrow?
Write your answer in the comments.
We love reading your answers.
Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.
See you next time.
Keep practicing English every day.
You're doing great. Bye.